this hill. Like, are you kidding me? That was so sick. What's going on, squad? Welcome back to another video. Today we're on this 2016 Yamaha R1. I am fortunate enough to have a good friend who loans me this every so often. So I've put a little bit of mileage on it, got used to it. I'd like to say that I'm decently comfortable. Let's show you what he's got going on this thing. Obviously, to start out, he's got mirror delete, got the bar enders. He's got a short throw throttle, so it takes less to get to full throttle, which is very, very nice. These grips are very nice as well. He's got Brembo up here. He's got clip-ons, some GB Racing covers on the side over here, stainless steel brake lines, RNG frame sliders, full titanium Acropovic exhaust system, fender eliminator, full ECU flash and restriction delete. I believe his dyno is 193 horsepower to the rear wheel. Öhlins rear suspension, that's a pretty penny. I mean, you can see the melted rear tire. But yeah, what else? Rear sets, tank grips, this halo cap, gas cap, which is badass. I'm pretty sure that's about it. But anyway, he went out to race the Gixxer 750 that he's got on the track this weekend, and I hit him up and was like, hey, you mind if I take the R1? So now we are running from rain and enjoying the day. This is probably by far my favorite sport bike that I've ridden. I have yet to ride a Ducati sport bike, but I own an R6 for a while, put tons of miles on that, absolutely loved the R6, had a 2010, then I got a FC10 after the R6, incredible bike, and then I now have the 690 again. I've also ridden CBR 1000, BMW S1000 RR, and I really like the way that the R1 leans in compared to the S1000. The S1000 is more comfortable, but I don't know. It's just something about the mid-range torque of this beast combined with the sound and the way it leans in. This is just a clear winner to me. As far as looks go, I would definitely buy an S1000 over this if it was all based on aesthetics. God, I'm so happy it's shade out right now. It was like 95 earlier and I was wearing my super thick leather jacket, and I ended up riding up to Cycle Gear and buying a summer jacket this afternoon, which is phenomenal compared to that big thick leather. But if you haven't seen the dash on these R1s, they're pretty slick too. Oh yeah, one more thing he's got is a quick shifter. As you can see, I'm upshifting without the clutch. But yeah, dude, this bike has an incredible amount of mid-range, which to me is more fun than having a stupid power band where it's all up at the top. And this thing's just got power all the time, and that cross-plane crankshaft sounds so good. It sounds like a muscle car going down the road. Then you add those little backfires to it, and it's just, oh dude, it's so addicting. But the main reason why I like this is because of the way it leans in. I mean, it just wants to lean in so bad, like it's effortless. I mean, you just adjust your body position just right. All she does is lean, baby. It just hucks over. I really like how wide the seat is too. A lot of sport bike seats are very skinny, and the wideness on this makes it extremely more comfortable for me. I'm 6'4", and I'm comfortably ride this bike. On most of the other sport bikes, my knees start to hurt, but I feel that the positioning of the pegs on this allows for more room for my legs. And my knee isn't bent as hard as it is on all the other bikes. Like, I'll get off the 636 from doing this same ride, and the pain in my knees is so bad that I don't want to do anything the rest of the day. Obviously, you can get rear sets for every bike and, you know, adjust a little bit, but I don't know, you sit at just the right spot on this bike. I mean, I can literally counter steer this and do, okay, I can counter steer this and do all of my turning without even moving my body. But if, I mean, obviously you want to move your body positioning for better control. But that just goes to show you how well this thing leans over. Unbelievable, the sounds that come out of this bike. Oh, dude, the sound is literally comical. Every time I hear it, I just smile and laugh. Alright, listen to the pops. Unbelievable. Like, the mic does not do it justice whatsoever. Oh my god, dude. Alright, listen to these pops downhill. It is something else. Like, what? Yeah, you know, like, a lot of those pops are shooting mad flames, like mad flames, man. I had my brother and some of his friends video me the other night. We found this really badass tunnel to do burbles through. I'll try to put some of those clips into this video. Excuse the quality, because most of them were Snapchats, but... It's like singing a song. Roll burble song. Oh my goodness, I swear they're getting louder. Somebody say popcorn. Back to the favorite road. Let's see what this beast will do. We gotta do a little investigating here, check the radar, figure out whether or not we're gonna go home and pick up the car, or we're gonna continue to enjoy our day off and rip it back up to Franklin on the R1.